let me show you how to use internet browser on any Samsung 4K TV. So first you simply want to go to your home screen. So the screen where you can see, for example, all your apps. So if you navigate down here where you have your apps, I see you have this browser option. Also, yeah, what's cool, on these TVs we can also connect either a wired keyboard and mouse or also a wireless one. So for example, if you go in the settings, click on the Bluetooth, you can pair like a dedicated keyboard to it and literally use it as a mini PC. So let's explore. So simply let's open it up, and then yep, you can either control it with a keyboard or mouse or also with your remote. So you see, if I click this wheel, my mouse cursor moves around here. If I want open item, so I simply click on it, and for example, stupid cookies. So yeah, move your mouse around, and then as you can easily search. So for example, let's go back to the home, and you can open pretty much anything here. Also, if you go here on the top, you can also enter any website name here. So yeah, you see, you can enter by simply moving around these, or also if you connect a keyboard to it, then obviously it's very easier. So see, if I type, it gets typed on the top over there. Also, if you connect a mouse, then you see you can literally use it as a computer, for example. So for example, you can open some website here. So you see, also very fast and responsive. The scroll wheel also works, as you see. So I'm just clicking something randomly here. It's definitely maybe not as fast like a dedicated computer, but if you just need for some basic stuff. Yeah, so you see, works absolutely great. Okay, good luck.